hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following counties. In Florida, coastal Dixie, coastal Jefferson, coastal Taylor, and coastal Wakulla. Hurricane warning in effect. What? East winds 55 to 75 knots with gusts around 100 knots and seas 12 to 17 feet. Where? Apalachee Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ochlockonee River, Florida out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ochlockonee River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Suwannee River to Keaton Beach, Florida out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. When? Hurricane force winds are possible from about Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning. Impacts. Extremely strong winds will cause hazardous seas which will likely capsize or damage vessels and severely reduce visibility. Mariners should remain in port, alter course, and or secure the vessel for extreme conditions before conditions deteriorate further. A storm surge watch has been upgraded to a storm surge warning, and a hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following